Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. My name is Maya Smith and today I'm going to be showing you how I straighten my hair. I decided to straighten my hair because the ends of my hair were very frizzy for my wash and goes and they were being acting weird and getting single strand knots and tangling together. So I'm like, it's definitely time for me to get a trim, and the way I see it, the best way to get a trim is on straight hair. So as you can see, I already washed and deep conditioned my hair off camera, and I'm just going to jump right into the blow drying part. I will put all the products that I use to wash and deep condition in the description box just in case anybody wants to know. So to start off with blow dry, I'm going to apply a heat protectant, and the heat protectant that I'm using is Kenra blow dry spray. This spray is a very good heat protectant, and plus it cuts your blow drying time in half. I got this from the Glam Twins and I've had this bottle for a long time, so a little bit does go a long way. So I just spray that on my hair, and after I'm done spraying it, I just comb it in to make sure it's fully distributed to the whole section. After I'm done applying my heat protectant, I always go in with the serum. Today I'm using some type of Frieda serum from I don't know how long ago. As you can see, the wording isn't even on the front, so I may not be able to put this in the description box because that's how long I had it and that's how long ago I straightened my hair. But I literally just take a small pump of that and put it on each section just to help my hair be sleek and kind of frizz free. I do this to every section, and then after that I go in with my blow dryer. So after I'm done applying my heat protectant and serum to all the sections of my hair, I just pull all my hair up. I usually have a clip, but I couldn't find it. And I just take this first section that I'm going to blow dry and I unravel the twist, and then I go in with my blow dryer starting at the ends all the way up to the root until my hair is fully blow dried and sleek. I repeat this step all over my head until my whole head is completely blow dried. And as you can see, my hair is completely blow dried and blown out, making my process easier for me when I straighten. So after I get done blow drying, I just take small sections of my hair, and some parts of my hair I do the chase method if my ends are really frizzy, but sometimes I don't, depending on how frizzy that section is. So I just, like I said, part a little piece of hair down and comb it out first, and then go over it with my flat iron. Sometimes I go over the ends first. If I don't know, I just really flat iron my hair piece by piece, and each piece honestly gets flat ironed different, but for the most part I go over my ends first so I can just do one pass at the roots and then just go down from there. I know most people do two passes at the roots and one on the ends, but the way I see it is the ends is the oldest part of the hair, so I didn't mind going over that part twice. Plus I was about to get a trim, so I was like, whatever. So I repeat this process all over my head in little small sections. So I'm just going to let you watch, and I'm going to pop in and out whenever I feel I need to explain something. So I'll see you guys at the end. all complete. That is how I straighten my hair. As you can see, I didn't apply any extra products. My hair is on the thinner side and I did not want my hair to be weighed down. And I know I need a trim, so please do not come for me too bad. I was actually going to get one after this, but me and my husband were going out, so I did throw some big curls in my hair and pin curled it while I was in the shower. I couldn't show it because I ran out of space on my memory card, but this is me taking it out and just fluffing it up into a nice cute style, wearing it down. That's all for my routine for my straight hair. Let me know down below what you guys think, and just check out that length. Like, I haven't straightened my hair in a year and 8 months, and I remember when I couldn't even wrap the back of my hair around my finger, and look at that length. I was just down my back now, like, oh my goodness. I will be making a video on how I was able to retain length and grow my hair out from my big chop. Clearly being heat free definitely helped out, so if you are trying to grow your hair out, make sure you keep that in mind. But as for this video, that is all. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel if you're not already subscribed, and to like this video. I will see you guys next time. Thank you so much for watching.